Hi guys, welcome back to another YouTube Studio dashboard tutorial. Today I'm going to do an easy one, but I'm just going to walk you through my step-by-step process for uploading a video to YouTube. So in order for me to start, I log into my dashboard at YouTube Studio, and up here in the right I am going to go to Create, and I am going to select Upload Video. From there, it's going to give me the option to select a file, or I can drag and drop that file. I am going to go ahead and hit select, and I see my file here. Now, one of the things that, again, it's all about findings and learnings, you'll notice that my video is named, or the video file is named as the same title that I am using for the video. I don't know if this helps with the algorithm. I've heard that it does, so I'm going to roll with it. Well, I'm going to correct spelling there. And while that is uploading, now what I always do is just copy this. Okay. And then if you want to be really snazzy, you can jump over to ChatGPT and put right, okay, right description. And literally now ChatGPT is going to give me a whole host. And now she doesn't know what I want yet because the right description isn't there. So now here you go. Here's a YouTube description you can use for your tutorial. And literally she is writing it out for me. It's funny, I often play with ChatGPT to see if I can get it to like give me a name. I'll ask it what its name is, and she never really uh gives me a name for herself, but she'll tell me that, if I want to give her a name, I can give her a name. And because I've been using her a lot, you see, she is automatically really creating this description and laying it out for me. And that's just because I've really just been using it a lot. So as you use ChatGPT, if you are not using it, then this is definitely going to be a game changer for you. I suggest that you start using it. So let's go back to the dashboard. I got a good part of that. So I'm going to put that in. And this time, I mean, she even gave me emojis and everything. So love this, love this, love this. Da, 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 da. I already have my thumbnail created. So I am going to go there, uploading a YouTube video. Open. That is going to open. It is now done uploading. For my playlist, I am going to go ahead and pop this into my YouTube journey. Because I have gone in and kind of preset my settings to that my content is not made for kids, this automatically generates that no, it's not made for kids. I will show you guys in a future video how you can do that as well. It does not have any paid promotion, so I just roll by that. It doesn't have any altered content. Apply chapters. I don't know how to do this yet. It is something that I am working on because I've heard and I've seen where people are showing that it does drive the algorithm. I don't know just yet, but it's still something that I'm working on. Oh, for tags, let's see. Did ChatGPT give me tags? Let's see. Tags, please. And you see she's going to give me general YouTube SEO and growth specific to title and thumbnail, YouTube Studio, and dashboard tags, engagement, and click-through rate. I mean, shoots. Quite frankly, I need them all. So first, let's grab those. Go back over here, pop them in. Now, what you have to do is, okay, I'm going to take this out. Oh, shoot. Okay, hold on. Because you have to put a space after them. So I'm going to do that. Good. Oops. Good, good. Put that one. Let's go and grab another one. I am not really sure how many tags um, you are supposed to put. Some people say that they are pointless. Some people say that they are not. Um, but I'm going to use it. Now, you see that I'm getting something that is also asking me or telling me some different tags that I should use and giving me the options of those. What that is Tube Buddy. Um, I am exploring it. It's something that I just got yesterday. Um, it's one of those like video IQ kind of like things. Um, so I just wanted to try it. I'm trying it for the month. It's $7.50. I quite frankly don't get it either, but it's nice because you see with it, I don't have to go to Chat GPT to find different tags that are going to generate search engine optimization. It is literally going to give me different ideas here, right in my YouTube dashboard, which is kind of cool. Language, English is already selected. YouTube license, standard YouTube license. I do know a reason why it is common to only select standard YouTube license. I believe the other one would be something that is more used by larger channels or people that have more than one channel. There's a benefit to using it there, but for us small content creators, not really a big deal. Category. I never know really which one to select. That is the one where I always get stumped on. I think a lot of times I do select people and blogs. Maybe these videos or education. Should we try education? Let's test it and do education. Now, what is this? This is giving me problems. Help learners find your explanations. I don't know what that is. Duh, duh, duh. We're going to go ahead now and hit next. Subtitles. We're going to take a hard pass on those right now. I know that they are a good thing. I'm just not there just yet. Let's see. I'm getting this option of applying a template. I don't have any templates, so it's an option, but I haven't set it up, so I can't use it. Import from a video. End screen cannot be imported. I don't know. I don't know how to use that stuff yet. This is generally what I've been doing is just allowing for YouTube to select the best for the viewer and the most recent upload. So that's generally what I do for my end screen. And I am going to go ahead and hit next. I don't know what cards are just yet either. So now YouTube is running like its little checks and all of that good stuff to see if there's any copyright strikes, infringements, anything of that nature. I'm going to go ahead and hit next. I heard that the new thing and that the right thing in order to get the algorithm a chance to kind of find its rhythm and the proper placement for your content in your video is to go ahead and do it as scheduled. So we are going to schedule this for today, February 7th. I am going to go ahead and schedule it for 1:30. And just to give it a little bit of juice time, do you guys give it longer than that? I guess if you're really scheduling out your content, which I could have done, I could have scheduled this video for like tomorrow. So actually that's what I'm going to do because I have other content that I plan on doing today. So I'm going to schedule this one for tomorrow just to kind of give myself a little bit of room to breathe. And it's a Saturday. I think most people, I mean, I wouldn't say they up early, but we're going to go ahead and hit this one for 9:30. Do you guys set your stuff at premieres? I don't know if I like to set my stuff at premieres. That just means that a bunch of people. Let's do it. I'm gonna test it. I don't generally like to. What is this? Set up premiere. Oh, a classic premiere countdown. Um, I like that. Let's just whatever that is, I like it. I'm just gonna hit save. Okay. Did it save it? Did I select something? Premiere Classic. I think I saved it. Okay. And that is that. So this is scheduled for tomorrow. Um, Hope it's a good one. All right, that's all I got. Oh, wait. You do have to hit schedule. The little ones are in the background, so I need to hurry up. Your video is scheduled to premiere February 8th, 9:30 a.m. There's a link so that I could share out the fact that it's premiered. So because I premiered this video and it said it as premiered, I believe that if you guys are my subscribers and followers, you are going to see this video premiere. And the reason why I'm hesitant to go live and the reason why I don't always schedule premieres is because I don't want for nobody to be watching the premiere. So hopefully you guys have your notifications on. You are going to be seeing this premiere. I am going to get ready to take my little ones that are out of school because it is a teacher in service day to go and get some lunch or go and do something because it's a nice day. Uh, and that's it. My name is Tiffany. This is my take. Be blessed. Have a blessed day. And most importantly, do what you can to bless someone else's day. Bye.